Are you ready to explore the world of freelance digital marketing? Dive into the exciting opportunities that await in this dynamic field. Enjoy the freedom and flexibility of setting your own schedule and working from anywhere with an internet connection. Embrace a better work-life balance and the ability to pursue other interests outside of work. Work on a wide range of projects across different industries, from social media management to SEO and content marketing. Keep the work engaging and continually expand your knowledge and experience. Set your own rates, take on multiple clients, and earn more than traditional full-time roles. As your skills and reputation grow, command higher rates and attract more lucrative projects. Master digital marketing expertise, communication skills, and exceptional time management to succeed as a freelancer. Explore online job platforms, networking, and personal branding to land your dream freelance projects. Specialize in a niche, build a strong portfolio, and consistently deliver exceptional results to achieve remarkable success. Be aware of inconsistent income and competition as you navigate the freelance digital marketing landscape. To know more, visit www.zeroinvestmentguidance.com.